Good evening. Today we are going to see the organization culture. So organization culture, in the previous class, what we have learned about organization development. So for developing the overall development of the organization, it is very necessary to have a good culture. The culture it's just like a soul to any organization. So let us talk about what is organization culture. So, when the same question asked to Henry Mintzberg, professor at McGill University and one of the world's leading management expert, was asked to compare the organization structure and corporate culture. When he was asked this question, how could you compare the organization structure with that of corporate culture? His answer is very simple. Organization culture is the soul of the organization. That means the beliefs and values and assumptions and how they are manifested, all these beliefs and how you are making use of these beliefs, assumptions and values within the organization for making the work done. That indicates the way how the organization is moving forward. So, and coming to the structure, he has visualized this, or he has opined the structure as a skeletal and as a flesh and the blood. A culture is a soul that holds the things, all the things together, and gives it a life force. That means to give a life to a structure. If you have a skeleton, it doesn't mean you are alive. You are having a soul in your skeleton, which matters a lot. So culture is acts as a soul to the organization. So to have a live in a human beings, we need a soul in your body. In the similar way, for organization, culture acts as a soul in your body or else in the organization. That is a smart answer, which gives a total picture of what is the importance of this organization culture. Let us define the organization culture in our own words. Culture provides stability to an organization and gives employees the clear understanding of the ways things are done around around the organization, around themselves, how the things are being carried out. Each and every organization will have their own way of doing the things. So, for example, if you have taken one organization where if you ask the receptionist, can I have Mr. Bean here? Some organization may say that Mrs. Dutt, that means Mrs. Dutt is in the cabin, she is in summer work, will get back to you within some time. So, some may give a formal answer. In some other organizations, she'll get back to you after she soon finishes her work. Here, the reply might be different, but the answer to the question is same. So here, what happens here? The way things are done around here is what the culture shows you. So culture sets the tone for how organizations operate and how individuals within the organization interact, how the employees and the people in the organization interact within themselves or within the organization. So it talks about the work profile and how the work is carried out in the organization. So I have coded an example. Reception 1 in one first organization tells that Miss Dat will be available in the moment. And organization 2, it says that Ima will be with you as soon as she gets off the phone. One is formally responding. One organization, there is a complete communication, is a complete formal communication. In other organization, you can see there is a informal type of communication, which is sometimes we can take it as a friendly form of communication. So that is how the organization brings up its culture. That is, it represents the cultural tone of the organization.